Nananaginip ba ako, guys? S15. Someday, guys, someday.
Sa buong career ko as an automotive content creator, masasabi ko na ikot na natin ang buong Pinas. Pinapakita natin na iba't ibang subculture ng pagkukotse. Ngayon, pupunta tayo sa Japan, kung saan sobrang rich ng car culture. Goal natin ma-discover at mapuntahan ang mga legendary tuner shops and find their cars along the way. So this is South Scene, all is South, let's go to Japan.
Hello guys, today is a special day at yun nga, nandito na tayo sa Liberty Walk, Nagoya. There's too much to take in. Across the street meron pa dong shop. Dito nakakalat, sobrang dami. All black siya. There's a cafe here. Damn.
Salama.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Hello. Filipino.
Yes.
Filipino.
Yuma-san.
Arigato. Oh, where did you meet?
We meet with Lucio. Remember Lucio? The big guy?
Oh, Lucio.
Lucio, yeah.
Italian guy.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Always.
Yeah.
Too big. Big boss. So how long are you gonna stay?
Till 21st of June.
June?
Yeah. So only 1 week.
Only 1 week?
Yeah, Liberty Walk.
We're gonna open the Sapporo store.
Oh, in Hokkaido?
Next month, sir. You should come with Kato.
Okay.
Yeah. You should come.
Wow! Kung magkaka-S15 na ako, ganyan na mismo, men. Grabe. Ichigo. Sa Ken Mary.
This is the Aventador Evo GT Evo.
GT
Yeah, it's the newest
Evo.
body kit for the Aventadors. We have the Murcielago.
Lago.
Yeah, 720 McLaren. Also have a stock Murcielago.
Actually, hindi ko alam kung saan tayo mag-i-start, pero look at this, guys. So yun, dito nga tayo sa Liberty Walk and we have business with them. Business trip siya. So para malaman nyo lang yung mga plano natin with the team, and tutur ko kayo ngayon. So ito ay isang gated manual Murcielago. Kung alam nyo, guys, sobrang rare yan. Gated manual Mercy 720S wide body. Another Murcielago and Aventador GT Evo. Another Murcielago. A Ken Mary F40. Another Ferrari. Nananaginip ba ako, guys? Ayan, yung engine niya. Yung actual car na ginamit nila nung Tokyo Auto Salon na in-unveil. 1 of 1 gated manual. Center lock. Lambo. Ito drift car daw to eh. Oh. Dang. Oh my god. Oh my god. R32. Tingnan nyo yung makina niya, guys. Kaya nila ginagawa ganito para yung center of gravity nandito. Lahat ng weight nasa likod ng Stat Tower. Tapos tube chassis na rin. Wheelans. Hindi ako mapagsalita guys, wala na akong sasabihin. Enjoy nyo na lang yung nakikita nyo. Rotary. Mazda. What's your favorite build?
I like the GTRs.
The GTR.
Yes. And you know why? It's the only one I can fit inside. That's why. No, I'm kidding. I like the design of the car.
Overall.
Yeah, the racing looks very nice. The 35, yeah.
This is my first build. First one-of-one wide body made by me.
DIY.
Bro, that's over 10 years ago.
I don't know anong engine to. Formula 3.
Inline 4. I found out Kato's into Bazooka bikes, bro.
Perfect.
So he used to be a rider.
Perfect.
Perfect for the shop.
Yes. Mismo. Wow. Another silhouette build.
Yung Jade. Ay, ano? Midnight purple na ano? Skyline. Wow.
Uy, midnight purple nga.
6.6 million. Yan. 6.6 million.
So around 3 million?
2 million plus.
Oh, 2 million.
God damn!
R32, Hachiroku.
Old stock yung 15, bro.
Ano, ganun ko nakuha bro yung sa akin. Yeah, ganun bro.
So ngayon, punta lang kami next stop. Actually, di ko alam. Saan ba tayo pupunta?
Hindi pa natin alam, bro. Para secret.
Okay. Malalaman natin ngayon.
Nice show. Andito yung mini F40 na yan.
Ayun! Yung mini F40 nga, no? Dang!
Kaya hinahanap ko eh, Jake.
Alin? Okay, new stop guys. Wow!
So actually we don't have stocks. All the kits are order made. So once you place the order, we put the kits in production.
For how long?
It takes about 1 month and a half. Depends of the material. For the dry carbon, it take a little more.
It's a lifestyle.
Now it's lifestyle. Yes. As I told you before, Mr. Kato now is trying to show to the world the Liberty Walk lifestyle. So this is the main point of the branding now. So we started off the body kits.
It's the flagship.
Yes, but now it's all about the lifestyle.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is the stock room.
Yes. Actually, it's not stock. It's all of they already ordered this product. Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah, very good.
Some people confund this to plastic. They think, no, it's plastic. No, it's
No.
FRP.
Yeah, it doesn't look FRP actually. FRP as well. Why is it black? I mean, why is it white? What's the difference?
Grabe. LB40. Another one. Another Porsche. And 8. I love this guys. Sobrang ganda ng livery niya. Super tasteful. clean 280Z. Another Skyline. Wala akong masabi guys. Actually, basta enjoy nyo na lang nakikita nyo. Kahit ako na-overwhelm talaga. So lakad lang kami papunta doon sa production nila, no? Production. So ayan. Parang tinake over talaga nila yung mismong town ng Aichi guys. Ng Liberty Walk. And it's nice. G35. On the Civic EF. R35. Ito yung perfect na opportunity for me to see kung anong ginawa nila dito, kasi ito yung binibuild natin specifically bago tayo umalis ng Pinas. Ang pinagkaiba lang namin is yung hoodie din na namin kinuha. Tapos itong wing na to, iba yung wing na pinili natin, yung gull wing. Nung wheel setup na ito, kasi yung gagawin natin 275 eh, so exactly like this. This one for Silden, Huracan. S13. Ato katang. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Philippine de arigato na.
How
Salamat. Salamat.
Salamat.
Salamat. Salamat.
Salamat.
Where's your phone?
Onegaishimasu. Thank you. Onegaishimasu.
ありがとうございます。
Onegaishimasu.
またね。彼が一応やっぱ
Thank you,
マスタング探してくれる。OK。
Okay.
コップンカップ。
Salamat. Salamat. Salamat.
Salamat.
Thank you. Onegaishimasu. Super clean. Across lang to nung mismong pinunta natin kanina. Amiyata, Mazda, Ken Mary.
Sequence, ilang tao ba? How long do they take?
Wow, a full carbon Ferrari. Another Aventador. Wow. I like this. Bro. Ito. Ano to? Anong kotse to?
American Muscle.
Pontiac.
Camaro daw, pero I thought it was a...
Ako Firebird eh. Akala Firebird. Akala ko Firebird eh. Oo. Bro, ito kinakabaliwan to pero ito dream car ko, Ken Mary. Oh, dream car ko 'yan. Tapos naka RB. 'Di ba? Ken Mary. Meron nito sa Pinas eh. 1 or 2 ata. Di ko lang alam kung nasaan.
Naka-digital ka?
Camaro.
Kasi sa Black Knight, di ba alam mo yan? Yung palabas sa Black Knight, na yung itim na
Oh, yeah. Firebird ata yun eh. Oo. Wow. Wow, full on race car guys. And this is the original engine. i96 2-liter. Grabe yung S15 guys. Super like it. This is my dream car. And it's mint condition, wide body. S15. Someday guys, someday. At dito ko siya bubuin sa Japan. Tignan natin yung mga cars dito. Kasi mas may time tayo ngayon. And ito, Aventador 348 Challenge, Ferrari, another Aventador, a dry carbon finish GT3, Ferrari 488. Before we leave, kabit lang namin to sa Yosihan. Tag me guys kapag mapapapunta kayo dito at makikita nyo tong sticker na to. Southsin Wazir. Southsin Wazir. Marso.